Microsoft PowerToys has several useful utilities, and one of them is Color Picker. It allows you to pick colors from any running application and instantly copy them to your clipboard in different configurable formats. For testing purposes, I already have my designed graphics open in Affinity app. I need to match the colors of these shapes, and that's exactly where Color Picker comes in. Keyboard shortcut to activate Color Picker is Windows key plus Shift plus C. Once you do that, move your cursor around screen, and you'll see a live preview of the color based on where your cursor is. When you find the color you want, simply left-click on it, and this opens Color Picker Editor window, where you can see this color in different formats. To use color, click on this copy icon, open any image editor, and then paste hex value you copied. And as you can see, this shape takes exact color I just copied using PowerToys Color Picker. To pick another color, just click on this Pick button, then move your cursor again until you find any color you like. When you find a color, left-click on that, grab hex code or any available format, and paste it directly into your design tool. All colors we picked will be listed here, and if you want to export these colors and save them somewhere safe, right-click on any color, then click on Export. Choose between Grouped by Color or Grouped by Format. For this example, I'll select Grouped by Format option. Name the file, choose where you want to save it, then click on Save. You now have a file with all your color information neatly organized by format. If you open Color Picker settings, you're not limited to just those 3 formats. There are additional color formats you can enable from there. You can also use this drop-down menu to choose the default color format for the Color Picker. In this section, you can enable the option to show the color name whenever you hover over a color on your screen. So that's how Color Picker of Microsoft PowerToys works. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.